Buddy, today I'm gonna show you and my sister Jaylene. I really love her. So I'm gonna show her what's inside of this popsicle Santa. Yay! Look, there seems to be glittery red. You can't really see it because of the camera. And there seems to be white, a red, a pink nose, two eyes. It looks like he's wearing green. And it looks like his belt is red glitter. And let's see what's in the back. There seems to be the metal for the keychain. And look at that strawberry or red berry dripping down. Now let's see what's inside of Santa. Let's see it.
And we have, last but not least, the last door, which is my roommates and they're included. What do we do with roommates that are doing something? You just read it there and something. Oh no,
Okay, now let's
so I will become greater than that.
see. So let's see what's inside of Santa. So there seems to be a line. So there seems to be a line, the metal keychain. Now let's see the popsicle. It seems to be like a Skittle. So let me put the camera here. Okay, let's see what's inside. Let me show you. It even has two plastic things right there. Look at it. It looks so cool. It smells like strawberries or red berries. Okay guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoy. And don't forget to comment and like the video.